Welcome to another welcome to another medical segments from my library and a supernatural and Halloween special. We will speak about zombies, the undead, if there's such a thing. Many stories tell of zombies, people who have died and come back to life. In some stories, zombies come back alive by magic or witchcraft. Other stories tell of headless or brainless beings that should be dead,
the Umbrella Corporation had become the
but are
largest
alive.
Russian entity in the United States.
Zombies have no control over their own actions. Zombies aren't real. However, many examples of zombie-like behavior exist in nature. Animals such as the wood frog cheat death. They shut down their breathing or other body functions. Other animals lose limbs that keep moving or grow new bodies from severed parts. Some zombie-like creatures move around without brains or heads. Snakes playing dead. Some snakes play dead as a means of defense. The hognose snake flips on its back, it lies still, its mouth gapes open, its tongue hangs out, it may vomit or spew blood. If a predator such as hawk or a fox tries to flip the hognose snake over, it flips onto its back again. The snake is trying to ensure the act is believable. It keeps playing dead until it is sure the threat is gone. Let's have some names of things that are zombies but are not actually zombie and not actually dead or undead. The decapitated killing snake, brainless moving frogs, headless flies still flying, the incredible planarian, water bears, popsicle frogs, frozen insect zombies, mud and mucus zombies, Spencer's burrowing frog, drown-defying spider. Let's see if we have some visuals. There's a frog, snakes, frogs again, flies, zombie body parts, incredible planarian, water bears, popsicle frogs, frozen insect zombies, and